6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We started off with a side pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. We then added a pushing to the side. 3 and 4. Ladies following his chest, feeling that building of energy. He's building. We must be going to the side. Versus if I don't build, she just keeps walking down the slot like the beautiful girl she is. We can also go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ronde. Sweep very slowly. Hold. Step, step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a good way to learn the rhythm. We can then go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we can mix and match those moves in any order we want. Everything you learn looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. High five. Oh, high five, rotate. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Kortnee. Now grab your guy, grab your girl. Let's circle up on the brown line for a mixer. 2,